Hello friends. Now as you can see, I am out my front door and I got some news. It is snowing a lot. I don't know if you can see, but look at that car. That car is like covered with snow. And so everybody who is driving, please be careful because it is snowing and look, the entire road is literally covered with snow. So what I want to say is that this is what happened. There's a ton of snow and I could barely see. You guys might be able to see good, but there is a lot of snow. Yeah. Bye. Hope you drive safely.